Hello everybody, Mr. P is here, and in this video we're going to do the blind test of these 4 portable monitors against 4 video samples that I prepared for you, and at the end of the video I will reveal which sample video belongs to which monitor. Before showing you the sample videos, I would like to mention a couple of things. Number 1, every single monitor had the factory settings back to stock. So exactly what was out of the factory, all the settings were resetted, except one thing I changed on this monitor is the brightness was increased to 100%. Number 2, the output files, the sample files is using this camera, while each of these portable monitors were playing the same video, which is by Blenders Foundation called Bug Bunny. So I was playing the same video or same part of this video, and I was recording the screen using this camera, just pointing the camera directly into the screen. The output videos of this camera hasn't been changed in any way. I haven't done anything to a contrast, brightness, highlight, shadows, color correction, nothing done at all. So sample videos is the raw output of this camera. So when everything is said, let's watch the sample videos, and after them, let's reveal which sample video belongs to which display. So you watched the sample videos, and now it's time to reveal which monitor belongs to which sample video, or which sample video belongs to which monitor. But before doing that, if you don't mind, can you pause this video and leave your comment in the comment section below, ranking the sample videos from the best to worst. When you've done that, let's carry on watching this video because I'm about to reveal which sample video belongs to which display. The sample video number 1 belongs to AirView 2 portable monitor. Let me quickly find it. It's somewhere here in a stack. And that's the one. So this AirView portable monitor with 1920 by 1080p panel, IPS panel, is 300 nits brightness. Their website and Kickstarter project hasn't mentioned anything about contrast ratio, so I don't know what's the contrast ratio of this monitor, but this is the sample video number 1. The sample video number 2 belongs to the Pepper Jobs Extend Touch portable monitor. It has 1920 by 1080p IPS panel, 300 nits brightness, and 800:1 contrast ratio. And that was the sample video number 2. The sample video number 3 belongs to a WeMaxit portable display, 1920 by 1080p IPS panel, 300 nits brightness, 1000:1 contrast ratio. And that is the sample video number 3. And the last video, sample video number 4, belongs to an older version of WeMaxit portable display. It has 1920 by 1080p IPS panel, 250 nits brightness, and 800:1 aspect ratio. Not aspect ratio, contrast ratio, what I'm saying. So this was the sample video number 4. So you know which sample video belongs to which monitor. Do you think it is worth picking the monitor just by watching my video? This video my video gives you any extra information about these displays. Maybe my video encouraging you to buy one monitor instead of the other. Just let me know in the comment section below what you think about this entire video. I appreciate any kind of feedback from you guys. Please subscribe if you enjoy my content, or click like, share with your family and friends and everyone in the entire world, and I'll meet you in another video. Goodbye.